so extraordinary and so multifaceted that from my point of view, my area of work, things I do have changed completely from the time in the late 80s when I introduced one of the first fax machines into a government ministry.
Right.
And really, that was quite recent, but just think. I then, in the late 90s, worked on the first government website when we were working in HTML, which you may remember. I think that the technological evolution has helped to demystify itself and to be able to be useful to much larger numbers of people, even in this poor and underdeveloped country as Mozambique is. I'm not just referring to mobile phones, although obviously that is a striking and dramatic change, but I'm referring to information channels. I'm referring to the possibility of people being able to not only access information but produce information. The way we at the university have moved on from setting up the first telecentres to thinking about much more in the area of content and then in the area of how people can use the technologies. Firstly, it's led to coming onto the agenda of government at one level. So the government now has a national community multimedia centre programme. It's not a project anymore. It's something that's happening, and to which serious funding is being made available. And I think that at the level of communities, the rural areas, the districts where we work, where everybody works, technologies are beginning to be understood as being useful. I know I keep repeating that word, but I do think it's fundamental. I don't think... I'm a great believer in demonstrator, the use. I'm not just making speeches about how it should be used or might be used, but saying how it can be used right now and showing it used now and getting people using the technologies.
Okay.
And I think that is beginning to happen.